Hi everybody, and welcome to exercise 3c, and this is the third and final problem of the type where we're taking an integral and trying to rewrite it in terms of a variable u that they're giving to us. Okay, in this particular problem, they'd like us to do a substitution with the value of u equals the square root of x. Okay, so let's start like we always do with a u substitution. Once we've got our u, we're going to take the du that goes with it. Remember that square root of x is x to the 1/2, so we can take the derivative of that just using the power rule. So 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 dx. We'll do a little algebra on that. That x to the negative 1/2, we can move it back into the denominator. Okay, by changing the sign on that exponent and then maybe noticing that x to the 1/2 is again just 2 square root of x. Okay, we're just rewriting this. Okay, and the idea is we'd like to solve this for dx, so we're going to take both sides of this kind of long equation that we came up with and just multiply by 2 square root of x, just to isolate the dx, and that's going to give us 2 square root of x du equals dx. Okay. So we'll kind of file that work that we did away, and the idea now is to take the integral that we started with and we're going to try to rewrite it in terms of this variable, new variable u. Okay, so first maybe notice that we've got a square root of x in a couple of places in our integral, and that was our choice of u, so those are going to become u's in our rewritten integral. And dx, we can look up at our work here. So this dx, we see that that's equal to 2 square root of x du from the work that we already did. So let's go ahead and fill that in. Okay, what's a little bit strange this time is we don't get any cancellations. So notice that this can't be a final answer because there's still an x in it. There's a square root of x. We need to rewrite that in terms of u. But notice that u, the top of our problem, is equal to the square root of x. Okay, so we can substitute one more time and replace that square root of x with a u. So what do we have here? 1 over u times 1 plus u times 2u du. And we could maybe simplify that by taking the 2u and putting it into the numerator. Okay, that would be okay to write our answer that way, but I'm hoping you might notice one more simplification we can do. We've got a u in the top and the bottom, so might as well go ahead and cancel those and write our answer as the integral of 2 over 1 plus u du. Okay, and we're done.